Let's go and look at what happened. So we did see that surge to 49,000. Spot ETF trading volume breaks opening day record according to James Van Straten. Thank you so much, Ron, for coming. Let's look at after about 3 hours. We already had $3.5 billion in volume per Eric Balchunas. The 10 fresh, 11 fresh, however you count it, had that massive amount of volume. And if you look at the whole complex, all of the assets, $3.5 billion in total. Well, as usual, I calculate stuff. And here is a brand new spreadsheet that we'll look at a lot because it's important to track money flows and then back that into actual price. But there's some interesting things, again, behind the scenes. So far, this is at the close. I calculated this at 1 p.m. today. I looked at the average price for these different tickers. I looked at the volume and calculated the dollar volume based on the average price. And you can see the big winner was Grayscale. But we don't know if a lot of stuff is moving out of the Grayscale stable into another stable. The last time I checked as well, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust discount was 1.6%. Hello, everybody. It's not quite zero, but getting close. Number 2 in the box is IBIT, the iShares Bitcoin Trust. That's from BlackRock. They had $1 billion in volume. Did they make the 2? I don't know. There might be some over-the-counter stuff happening there too. And number 3 is Fidelity with about $677 million in volume. And then they trickle off real fast. The ARK Bitcoin ETF, 278 million. But that means it's not all accounted for, or they didn't have their wiring set up so people could actually buy it from different brokerage accounts. And then Invesco, Van Eck, Franklin. I thought Franklin would have been a lot higher. Wisdom Tree, tiny. But again, this is probably not everything. Not all the data is in all the systems at the same time. There's big lags in many of the items out there. But a quick bar chart. As we always said, the winner takes most.